Hello rail fans, and welcome to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. On Saturday, July 10th, my youngest son and I had to make a trip up to Louisville, Kentucky for some non-train related activity. But on our way out of town, we decided to stop and see if there was anything coming up the line, and indeed we heard a Q142 coming up through Maplewood, so we staked out a spot at the Amky Depot and Visitor Center and waited for it. Q142 is a intermodal train going from Duval Yard in Jacksonville, Florida up to the Northwest Ohio intermodal terminal that CSX has. So we're going to catch this, and then we're going to get another glimpse of a train, and we'll catch that and tell you a little bit more about how the trip went. So after that Q142 came through, we got back in the truck and decided to continue on our path to Louisville. We had made it just a little bit up Gallatin Pike when we heard a G360 call clear Goodlettsville. So we hurriedly made our way to Williams Avenue, was hoping to get across this crossing here and into the gravel parking lot that we generally will set up in. But we didn't make it. We got to the crossing just as the train did, so just threw the cell phone out the window, got the best shot that I could here. The train's actually a really interesting train. I can't find any info on what G360 is. Imagine it's some sort of Indiana to Georgia grain train, but don't know the exact cities. It's a fully loaded grain train, and then we're going to see a couple of DPU units come up here in just a bit. And behind that is a fully loaded coal train. So they've combined two monsters here. We didn't get an opportunity to hear the defect detector, but this was an extremely long train, and probably from a tonnage perspective the heaviest train we've ever filmed, I would guess. So pretty impressive to see that. After this comes through, we're going to take off for our trip up north. The rest of the day we did manage to see Q574 from the interstate as we approached Elizabethtown. We jumped off the interstate, tried to catch it, and got caught in some traffic, and just missed catching that, so there won't be a video of that. But then we did a few other interesting things in Louisville. I'll let these DPUs come by, and then I'll pick up telling you about the rest. So the trip to Louisville, again with my youngest son, there's a baseball sports card store in Louisville that we both love to visit, and they have some great deals on cards, and the card market's been just crazy since COVID started. So we hadn't been there since well before the pandemic, so we decided to make the trip up there, see what we could get. So that kind of combined into my second hobby, which is buying and selling sports cards online. So we picked up a few things we believe we'll be able to flip, and then a few things to add to the collection. We did check out a couple of spots on the Norfolk Southern lines while we were in Louisville. There was nothing coming through. And then on our way back, we pulled off at the Jim Beam Distillery near Bardstown, Kentucky, and the facilities right now are closed to visitors. They're doing some construction, rebuilding the visitor center, things like that. But we were able to throw the drone up in the air and fly over a bit of the property and get some really cool shots of all of their barrel buildings and most of the plant and some of the hills and scenery around that. So we'll create a video of that, and we'll throw that up combined with a blog post on our third hobby, which is a travel blog that I have online. For anybody that wants to check that out, it's got a few years now of posts. You can find that at lastchancepowerdrive.com. There's a YouTube channel tied to that as well, where we'll put that drone video of the Jim Beam facility. So kind of a cool trip. We were able to combine several hobbies together. Had a great day, a lot of fun. So hope you guys have enjoyed the train video. We certainly enjoy going out and filming them, and love seeing monster trains like this. So see you next time. We'll have some more videos to put up soon. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.